Welcome back, everyone, to A Sip of Coffee Online with When India. And today, our topic is how to validate your idea. And your hosts are Sejal Raja and Vandita Tiwari.
Hi Vandita, hello, good evening.
Hello, Sejal. So, ready for the session?
Yes. Are you ready?
Yeah, sure. So, Sejal, last session of ours has the topic how to get the business idea. And we got plenty of views for the video, and even we got inquiries on email, but nobody posted on forum as we were suggesting.
Yes, Vandita. I also can see no any post on our link on this. So maybe people feel hesitate. I don't want to share online forum or on personal basis. Personal we can mail it. They they don't feel not go with the frankly like mind. So I thought they hesitate because they feel nobody is going to steal your startup idea. First of all, they have keep it in this mind. So nobody going to steal their idea. First of all. And second, I think they thoughts like, what is my idea is total flop or gets rejected. Somebody will demotivate. They also feel that also. And
Yeah,
third, I feel because they are not sharing on forum because they fear of failure or lack of confidence. What you said?
yeah, I think you're absolutely correct. As we mentioned in our last video also, if you're planning about a business, you should be ready to be criticized, because there will be somebody who will be criticizing you. And you know what happens with a business idea? Business idea is like a child to a mother, and every mother loves the child. And when we talk about a business idea, we should be passionate about our idea, not in love with the idea. If you are in love with your idea, as they say, love is blind. So, what will happen if you are in love with your idea? You will not be able to see the limitation of your business idea. So, be passionate about it. And later, what will happen sometimes if you are in love with your idea, you will see that you are very excited to start a business, but it was only you who were very excited about it and not the customers. And then it will not work out. Correct, Sejal?
Yes, yes, absolutely correct. I agree with you. So the ideas work better if they are painkillers and not just nice to have. Nice to have ideas are optional, then they can be addition to your business, but main business has to be a painkiller. This is my thought. So what you say, uh,
I
I
think that's a
totally
very nice way to explain it. Very nice statement to explain a very tedious thing. So, if we have to talk about how to validate your idea, so first thing to validate your idea will be, as Sejal rightly said, it should be a painkiller. First thing, what we how we will you validate is it solving any problem for a customer? So, is it a painkiller? And since this pandemic started, I have whatever videos I have made, I have generally mentioned in it that in your business there should be one essential item, that is the painkiller product. Others can be additional products can be there, but one of those products should be there, so it is easy to start, it is easy to bring on to the customers. Second, what you were hesitant about, like Sejal said, that people are hesitant to talk about it, that others will criticize them, demotivate them. To validate your idea, you have to talk to people, you have to talk more to the people, and you have to talk more to the people about it. The more you talk about it, the more you talk to more people about your ideas, the more views you will get. And more views you get about it, it will help you to give a start, and able to you will be able to judge it whether you should go about it or not. And last point to validate your idea will be before launching your real product, you should run a pilot project. And it can be done even on a PowerPoint. You can make a presentation about your product, what problem it is solving, what price range you are projecting for it, and then send it to others and see what are their reviews. Are they comfortable with that price range? Do they think this product is good? So that will be a pilot run. That will help you not to burn your pocket, but still get the idea validated. Your idea will be validated that way. What do you say, Ziyal? Anything
Yes,
else to
Vandita.
add in it?
Yes. In short, I'm for this word, it's a hunter learning that I like very much. Every time I will also do hunter learning.
Correct.
And yeah,
So now we are
Vandita,
open for questions.
yes, one question coming from Mumbai.
Okay.
Rupa Saha, yeah, she is asking, I have shared your my product. Would you recommend my product is good or not? I want to that.
So I lost your voice over there, Sejal. I hear that there is some product she wants to share. Can you repeat the question, Sejal?
Yeah, she shared some product. She is asking, would you recommend my product is good or not? I want to share. I want to start the business with this product.
Okay. So first, I like to say that you can share your product on the forum, but don't share the picture of the product. What you can do is you can write a title and some description about the product, as we told you what all points you have to validate through it. And let's see what others say about it. So it will help you to know whether to go about the product or not.
Any other questions?
Yes, I have one here. I'm a civil engineer and want to add interior decoration business to my current business. Is it a good idea? Do you validate this idea, Sejal?
Yes, the concept is very nice. Interior designer designing this, and suppose I will start this business. So first I will do the thought process, then hunter learning, and then observe market study. I will do the market study, and then I will push boundaries little bit. I will grow in my process, and then I will leave.
I think it's good. It's quite relevant when we are talking about it.
And one more
So,
question,
anything else?
yeah, from Indore, one question is coming. So, Vandita, they are asking which business is good nowadays, e-commerce or retail business?
I think retail business or e-commerce they should go parallelly in current situation because see because of this pandemic the footfall is very less to the retail stores and people are preferring to buy online than going to a retail store. So if you are even having a retail store, you should see and bring your products on e-commerce as well. It will help you to meet up the number of customers and you will have more numbers of customers that way. And when India can help you to go online and we can help you to go about on the e-commerce platforms, e-marketplaces, and even when India is also having our own e-commerce portal. So if you are interested you can email us and we will let you know the procedure for it.
Any other
And
question do you have?
before we get another question, Sejal, I like to remind everyone that today is the last day of registering for the When India Awards. So if anybody has missed till now, they should go and register now only because the registrations for first round will close by 12 tonight. I
Yes,
will post the link below the video.
yeah. Vandita, one more question. How to do market study before startup? What kind of point should be we should take care of?
Oh, I think that question Sejal will be better to answer. She is our SWOT analysis expert, I will say. She has taken many sessions and you have to do a proper analysis for that. I think that will also point us to our next topic for our session, that will be on SWOT analysis, right, Sejal?
Yes, we'll come
So
with the
I think Sejal will be answering that, and we will have a detailed session also about it very soon.
yes. SWOT analysis is very necessary in any field. So in business or in any the other field, SWOT analysis is must to have your market study before you start up your business, or you are running also the business. You should do every month SWOT analysis for that. So we will come with the SWOT analysis session in our next when Vandita, can you tell us?
Maybe I think it should be post Diwali, because everybody will be busy with the festival season now. So we will come up with it very soon.
Yes.
And we have a lot of things coming up in November. We are having our awards function on 19th November. Again, it will all be virtual, and we will be having more sessions. So yes, maybe towards end of year. Okay, thank you all for joining. Thanks, Sejal.
Thanks, Vandita. So, guys, don't hesitate. Share your ideas on our forum, and we as a team share a passion for helping people bring their ideas to implement. So, don't hesitate and feel free to share. Nobody is going to steal your ideas, and nobody will demotivate you. So, Vandita, will move
So if
now.
anybody motivates you to get the motivation, you can mail to Ven India, and we are here to support you. All your motivations, all your positive energies, we will be able to help you for that.
Yes,
Okay, thank you
definitely.
all.
Bye.
See you in next time.